Hey guys, it's Ashley, and I am standing on one of my favorite streets in Jefferson City. I'm on Hill Avenue. So this home behind me is going up for sale, and it's 108 Forest Hill Avenue. Has so much character, a great front porch. You also have main level living because the owner at one point added a bedroom in the back with main level laundry as well. Nice hardwood floors. The kitchen is very spacious. It's a big kitchen, which is unusual for an older home. You also have a 2-car garage in back, a total of 5 bedrooms, and a total of 3 full bathrooms, an unfinished basement as well. I'm excited for you guys to take a look at this one. One other thing I want to explain to you is not only does it have main level laundry, but it also has another laundry room upstairs too, close to all the other bedrooms. So if you'd like to see this one, give our office a call. But for right now, sit back and enjoy the tour.